Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. I have a short for you today, and it is how to make a DIY gift basket. In today's video, I'm showing you how to arrange everything, how to put your items in the basket, and what to buy. This basket right here is a creator theme basket. It has everything you need to create DIYs, home decor, and even your videos. I also placed a selfie vlogger video stick and recording stand, and I also included as many DIY items as possible. When you're building a gift basket, make sure you keep it full of whatever that you choose to buy, whatever your theme is centered around. So my theme was centered around all just creative items. So what you would do, you go pick your color thing, you will pick your theme and your topic that you want to stick to, and you will also blend different items together to form that basket. I love all of you. I love the finished product. It looked so good. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy.